Some horse racing news now. A prominent stakeholder is once again making a call for improvement to the working environment for grooms at Caymanas Park. Meanwhile, 10 races are slated for Saturday's program, the first of a two-day Easter weekend carnival.
President of the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association of Jamaica, Andrew Azar, is making another appeal for the overall working conditions for grooms at Caymanas Park to be improved. Azar made the call during last Saturday's Grooms Day activities, which he spearheaded at Caymanas Park.
But what we would lobby for Supreme Ventures, the promotions to do, is if anybody has been to the Grooms Recreational Hall and where the grooms live and work out of, it's a disgrace. So we would ask them to go and look themselves and see if they can do anything for the grooms that can help in their day-to-day life to make it, they're not going to be rich, but to make it more civilized and more comfortable for them as they're here 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year.
Well, we grooms really appreciate everything he done for us because, grooms don't really normally get this, upliftment than this.
There are approximately 300 licensed grooms currently in operation at Caymanas Park. Each groom is paid $5,400 per horse per week. Meanwhile, the maximum field of 16 will go postward for the feature Linval McFarlane Trophy for overnight allowance runners over 6.5 furlongs on Saturday. The very fit and consistent Don Quessy from the stables of Barrington Bernard is a 3-1 anti-post favorite with champion apprentice Demar Williams aboard. He's followed by Linguist at 2 with apprentice Tyrese Anderson, Fortuna Bell at 4-1 with Robert Halladine, and Sensational Soul to be ridden by former champion Dane Dawkins at 9-2. The feature event will be run as the 10th and final at 5:40 p.m., while first post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. Meanwhile, the local racing fraternity is now mourning the loss of veteran trainer Patrick Fong, who passed away on Friday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.